Before connecting line devices onto the panel loop, each device should be set up to a unique address. Each sensor, relay unit, interface unit, manual call point or other addressable line device is fitted with a DIP switch. This switch is used to set the device address in binary code. The switches are numbered 1 to 7, and may be coded to represent all of the device addresses from 1 to 127. To set the address number for a device, add the representative numbers of all the switches that are in the on position. For this example, DIP switches 1, 2, and 3 are on. Looking at the representative numbers, simply add the numbers together. So this device unique address will be address 7. If you required a document which will assist you with the device unique addresses, simply visit www.firesecurityproducts.com. Most of the device's installation sheets will have this information. For this example, I will use the installation sheet for the ZP730 detector. Simply type into the search box ZP730. Then click onto the detector. Scroll down the page until you can see the link for the installation sheet.